What's going on, crew? Hope you all enjoyed yesterday's video of me fishing. Um, in today's video, it's gonna be more laid back. I don't know if you can tell or hear, but it's raining outside, so not gonna be doing much outside today. Um, Today's video is gonna be more laid back, family style vlog. Gonna go to the store to get a present for my dad's birthday. I'm not gonna show it in this video just in case he somehow sees this video, but I don't think he knows or understands what YouTube is or how to even find me. He might, but I'm not gonna show his present, but I'm gonna take you guys along. So, yeah, hope you all enjoy it. Alright guys, I'm in the store. We're planning on making these banana pancake slider things. I'm getting the bananas. She's over there getting pancake batter. I gotta find a good one. These ones should work. Alright, I'm gonna go meet up with her and get the pancake batter. She's walking away. Alright guys. I don't know if you guys heard about this theory about all these with the cereal off-brand stuff being the actual brand. But like, look at this. Cinnamon Crunch Squares. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And they also got Frosted Flakes. That's not Tony the Tiger. What are you talking about? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Alright boys, welcome to Cole's Kitchen. Today, we're trying something new. We're taking pancake mix. We're gonna slice up some bananas, mix it all together and make some banana sliders.
Mmm, yummy.
Banana pancake sliders. I don't know what they're called yet. But we're gonna take these bananas and slice them up. I need the knife. Kids, adult supervision if you're using a knife. Got my trusty knife here. No, I'm joking. Alright. Which banana should I use? How thick should I make them? Like half an inch? Adult supervision when using knife. So I cut the edges off because it might make it a little easier to fry a little bit. But I'm gonna do about like half an inch. So about that thick. I'm gonna set these to the side and make the pancake mix. I'm gonna throw this away. I don't need the knife anymore. Alright. Got my mixing bowl here, got my water bowl here, and got the pancake mix here. I also need a measuring cup. It looks like a cup, it doesn't have thing on it. Alright. So I'm gonna do the 4 to 5 pancakes. So I'm not making a lot, but I need 1 cup of the mix and half a cup of water and mix together. Surprise, no eggs, no nothing. Get this stuff. One shot of vodka. Alright. Half a cup of water. Just a tad bit more, but that should be fine. And you grab your whisk and you whisk it around. This does not seem like enough water. Seems really thick. Do you want your pancake mix to be thick? I'm gonna go over to the cooking station. We wait, we wait, we wait. All right, boys. So we got the bananas ready with the fork. Got the pancake mix. We also got some Pam, best friend. And we got the Pam. Don't get me wrong. This is Pam. This is a pan. Pam. Pan. I think you guys understand. See what I did there? All right. So make sure this is hot. It seems pretty hot. And I'm gonna take the Pam and spray the pan. See what I did? All right. So you guys, you take the Pam and spray the pan. I think you guys understand. See what I did there? You take a fork. So you take the fork and then you dip the banana in it. Get it all in there. You lose your banana. These bananas are too ripe. Alright, once you have your nanner all lathered up, you take it and drop it in there. These are the test round. I only did 2. I don't know, I'm gonna block you. Test round, guys. I need a plate. All right, maybe don't put the stove on high. Oil and water.
Probably. There's a good chance it's gonna screw up and hit you.
I'm deaf to the world around me, but I'm screaming out for someone to see. I'm lost to the silence, can't you see?